How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of gynecomastia in males step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Gynecomastia, you guys, it is 100% in most cases reversible, or what I mean by this is it does go away by itself. For most cases, the odd case you might need surgery, but the reason why I'm saying this is to give people hope, because I get a ton of questions about gynecomastia, you guys, and the people are always very, very sad. They're like, I can't get rid of this. I don't know what to do. So that's why I thought I would make a video. So I'm just trying to be positive with you guys. In most cases, it will go away by itself. Now, a big thing that people mistake for gynecomastia is chest fat. Now, if you have a lot of chest fat, if there's a lot of fat deposition, a lot of fat deposits around the chest, then it definitely can look like gynecomastia. So it can be confused for that. The great news about this is if it's just chest fat, it's very easy to get rid of. It's way easier because with gynecomastia, it can take upwards of 2 years to go away by itself. In some cases, a year, some cases 6 months, it might go away. Gynecomastia a lot of times is formed just by an increase in hormones. That's why a lot of people get it when they're younger, and then it eventually goes away, you guys. So how can we get rid of gynecomastia though? Step by step. The first way of doing this, I'm going to tell you if you have chest fat or if you don't have chest fat. So what I mean by this is obviously if you think you have gynecomastia, what I would do is I would start training the chest, because here's the thing. If it's chest fat and you start developing the chest, you start training the chest, it's going to get rid of the chest fat, assuming you're in a caloric deficit. Now, if it's not chest fat and it's actually gynecomastia, well, training your chest properly, what I mean by this is training your upper chest, will actually make that gynecomastia look worse, because the gynecomastia is on your lower chest. By training your upper chest is going to look really chiseled. It's going to look super nice. The gynecomastia on the bottom is not going to look as bad. So it doesn't matter if you have chest fat or if you have gynecomastia. I recommend developing the chest using incline movements. A lot of people make a massive mistake by training flat movements. If you train flat movements, flat barbell bench, flat dumbbell bench, flat chest flies, you are targeting the lower part of your chest. This will make your gynecomastia look worse. So you need to be training it properly using incline movements, you guys. That's how you get rid of it step by step. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.